Hello watcher and subscriber, this tutorial is interesting for you because we are going to calculate the difference between two date, that is start date and end date. So many users they thinks it can be calculated using subtraction also, but it is wrong because subtraction we use for the calculation purpose, so that in the subtraction purpose we use a number and it will calculate the difference of number. So question comes in our mind, can we use subtraction for calculating date difference purpose? So we will just check practically. So this is my start date and this is my end date. Once I press enter key, it is showing result, but it is negative and invalid, you can say. It is not having the proper meaning. So how you can get the difference between two date? Okay, so here I repeat, this is my start date because it is having the year 2011, it is having the year 2021, so it is end year. So for calculation of this I have to use function date difference. So this is the function and it is having some parameters. So first parameter represents start date, so that the reason I click here, and then you use comma. Then second parameter represent end date, so I just click here, or you can write the address manually. And here I want to return the days, so in double quote you simply write day D, you have to use letter D, and here you write ending double quote and then end of the round bracket. So here first parameter representing start date, here second one end date, and third one D we are using here. D stands for number of day. So once I press the enter key, you see the result is coming in a positive number. Previously it was coming in negative, so it didn't have any meaning. So once I drag it downside, it will calculate the result for the other record also, you can observe. Now here we will see how you can do for the month. So again you have to use the same function, and here again your procedure will be same, start date, end date, and now in the double quote you have to write M. Got it? And then you press the enter key, you are getting the result in the form of number of month. Then you just drag it downside, you will be getting the answer for other record also. Now we will calculate the years. So how we can calculate the years? So again you have to use the same function. Then again you have to specify year start date, end date, and then in double quote we have to write Y. Got it? And then we have to press enter key, so it is showing number of years because in between 11 and 21 9 years are there. Now we will drag it down, so we are getting the answer for other record. So here we successfully calculate the difference between two date in the form of days, in the form of month, in the form of years. So I suggest you can refer this function. It will be very useful for the calculation of days, month and year. So I hope dear student you understood the importance of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.